So I decided to join my first random team box break on Whatnot, and I got the Astros, Mets, and Brewers. Here's some of the base cards I got for the Astros. And I actually hit a Ronnie Dawson auto rookie card numbered to 99. Very, very cool. For the Mets, I got a couple inserts. I got a Polar Pete, a Dwight Gooden 1985, a Jacob deGrom cornerstone, and I hit a Tyler McGill rookie auto as well. At this point, I'm 2 for 3 when it comes to autos with the teams I picked. Well, not picked, the ones I got. For the Brewers, I got a couple more prospects than all the other teams, which I'm happy about. I even got this Jackson Churio Bowman first Inception card. Super cool. And a Hedberg Perez as well. And the big hit was this Sal Frelick Bowman Sterling Sparkle Refractor numbered to 99. Overall, this was an awesome experience.